magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Muli tayo nagbabalik sa ating first game ng ating San Juan National High School versus the San Juan Science High School. Ball pupunta sa San Juan National High School. Hello? Field. Ayan na, dire-diretso, no good. Hello kuya.
10 seconds.
Number 1, 4-3. Wala. Rebound ng San Juan National High School. Number 18. Paseo Riodique. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Oh, what a block there. Para San Juan Science. Steal by Riodique. Oh, what a nice Pinoy step by Riodique. Oh, bad pass, steal ng San Juan National. Bien, attacking the basket. Nakalusot pero wala. Rebound. Riodique from the corner. Pass to number 18. Top of the key. 4-3. Wala. Rebound ng Science. Ay na ang San Juan Sai, number 1. Pass to number 2. Number 2, nabitawan, steal, outlet pass, bien, all the way, yes sir! Para back-to-back basket para kay Riodique. Bien. Out of bounds.
Save ball.
Bola rito ng San Juan Science. Oh, steal by Bien Riodique. Derecho, wala. Offensive rebound, number 18 and 1 by jersey number 18 for 3-point relay. Foul number 3.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Basket is good para kay number 18. Official score 7-0 run ang San Juan National. Another steal by number 18. Bounce pass.
Kick ball.
Kick ball.
Same ball.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 1. Pass to number 18. Sa corner, Riodique, pass to number 11, and there's a foul.
Foul number 12. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Shooting on the line, jersey number 11. 7. Hand off to number 18. Pass to Bien. Bien, alley-oop. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni number 1. Kick out. Bien. Uy, wala pa rin. Rebound, number 14. No good. Number 18. And there's a foul.
Foul number 10. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Basket. Time remaining 6 minutes sa ating first quarter. 8-0 ang ating talaan. Oh, steal number 18. Steal by Bien. Naka-recover. Steal by number 2. Number 2. Stop and pump. Pass to number 1. At the kick out for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Basket.
2 points by number 10.
Official scores 8-2. May puntos na ang San Juan Science. Pinasa corner. Step back 2. No good. Ay na nagagawan. And that's a jump ball.
Jump ball. Substitution. Maroon.
Number 20 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by number 5. The number 12, wala. Rebound. Ayan na.
5 seconds.
Si number 10, Clyde, binigay kay number 12. Jumper.
2 points.
Steal number 4. Oh, wala. Rebound, makakuha.
Okay po.
Steal.
Timeout sila. Yung ano ba?
Science. Out of bounds.
Science.
Timeout, San Juan Science. Yan natin ang huddle ng San Juan Science. Time remaining 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Number 2. Ate, usagan tayo tayo. Saglit lang.
Shot clock 3 seconds.
Yes, 3. No good. Ayan na. Oh, what a pass. And there's a foul.
Foul number 2.
Number 2.
First personal foul. Fourth. Team foul.
Warning for penalty. Shooting at the line, jersey number 12. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng San Juan Science. Steal by number 4. Uy, what an extra pass to number 28. Wala. Nagagawan. There's a foul.
Foul number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Oh, steal. Number 20. Good. Wala pang tawag ang ating referee. Steal by number 4. Ayan na. All the way. Wala. Number 4 with a putback. Ayan na ang San Juan Science. Number 1. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to all the way
2 points by number 30.
by number 20. Floater, wala. Rebound. Number 3, drop pass. Number 7, no good. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul on number 20. Second personal foul. 30 foul. Substitution.
Wala silang 5 minutes.
Shout out kay James Medina. O nga, pasensya na ha. Dito ka pareho po. Sub.
Thank you, rep.
Po. Offensive
Basic
foul.
foul number 3. Second person. Medic.
Sub,
Medic,
go.
please.
Malingoy-ngoy.
Substitution.
Dumudugo yung ilong.
Last 58 seconds sa ating first quarter. Number 20 to number 4. 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. By number 4. Ortega. Ayan na. Oh, steal by Bien. 2 against 1. Riodique, short. Rebound by number 3. Ayan na ang San Juan Science. Bounce pass. Steal by number 4. Number 4. At binigay sa corner. Kick out. Steal yan ng San Juan Science. Steal by number 4. Ayan na. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng San Juan Science. Naitawid. Ayan na ang double team. Binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Choosing the board. Basket yan.
Basket. End of the first quarter.
Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score 18-4 in favor of San Juan National High School. Alright, second quarter tayo. Lamang ang San Juan National High School ng 14. Alright, back to ball game tayo. Second quarter, let's go. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School. Number 3, no good. Rebound ng San Juan Science. Another steal, number 16, dire-derecho, no good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 5 to number 2. Ooh, wala. Rebound. And out of bounds. Oopsie. Warning for delaying the game, San Juan National.
Warning for delaying the game.
Sino?
Sino ba?
Number 3.
Gets the shot, no good. Steal ng San Juan Science. Steal ulit ng San Juan National. Number 89, hop step, basket is good. By jersey number 89. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Steal nga lang. Oy! Number 28, basket. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng San Juan National High School. Ayan na. Number 1.
Kuya.
Pwede dito tayo, dito na po. Baba.
Kuya, dito kayo sa gitna.
San Juan National. Ayun, natin development.
Dito daw.
Dito daw. Sa loob, spin, basket. Number 2, basket. Gets the 3 block there. Oopsie. Offensive foul. Ito mo lang.
Offensive foul na.
Offensive foul on number 15.
First foul.
First personal foul.
First team.
First team foul.
Foul, offensive foul ang San Juan National. Bola rito ng San Juan Science. Oh. Okay, basket is good. 26-20.
Shot clock 6.
Number 89, basket.
Foul number 15. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution.
Thank you. Number 18, bad pass.
Same ball.
11, reverse layup, no good. Rebound ng San Juan Science, still number 14, in and out, and there's a foul.
Foul number 10. Second personal foul.
The second personal foul.
First team foul.
First team foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 58 seconds. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng San Juan Science. Steal. Recover. Jump shot, no good. Pull up J. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Outlet pass. Ian spin. Oh, what a nice reverse layup by Riodique. Bien. Oopsie. There's a foul.
Foul number 17. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Pull up J, no good. Rebound by number 18. Ooh, what a cross. Nakalusot. Out at pass, Villar. What a nice pass to number 14. Outlet pass. Ooh, block.
Foul number 17. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Substitution.
First shot, no good.
Iba pa yung senior high, ano?
Ito junior high.
Oh, junior high.
By the way, this is the junior high school division basket by jersey number 22. Number 18. Pass to number 12. Steal. Ayan na. Dire-diretso. Block by number 11.
Same ball.
Grabe yun. Ginawang bala.
14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot. Oh, munti ka na magawan. And there's a foul.
Foul number 11.
Number 11.
First personal foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 19 from San Juan Science. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Number 18 to Villar. Villar with the guy. What a nice pass to number 14.
2 points by
By
number
jersey
14.
number 1. That's Villar. The guy, jump shot, short. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 18. Uy, no good. Rebound ng San Juan side. Ayan na. Oh, still. By number 18. Ayan na, nakalusot. Number 18. Bounce pass to number 1. No good. Number 18 with a putback. 36-8. Ang ating talaan. Biggest lead of the game. Ayan na. Ang San Juan Science. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. Binigay sa loob. Number 14. In and out. offensive rebound at nag-aagawan. And that's a jabol. Timeout.
San Juan National.
San Juan National High School. Timeout dito ang San Juan National. Official
Foul
score,
number 10.
36-8.
Number 10, third personal foul, penalty. Correction. Science. Walang penalty, walang penalty. Wala po. Science ang penalty. San Juan, sorry.
Takin.
Warning on number 13 of Science. For delaying the game. Sabi ko sa inyo, pagpasok, nakatake na yan.
Warning, delay in the game for attacking uniform from San Juan Science. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Bola rito ng San Juan National.
Shot clock 6.
Bounce pass, number 18, in and out. Rebound by San Juan Sai. Oh, steal by number 20. Oy, wala. Ayan na ang San Juan Science. Another steal. 3 against 1. Basket. Steal again ang San Juan National. Number 18. Basket din naman. Time out po, time out. Number 23, pinagay sa corner, wala. Rebound. Block there, steal. Outlet pass, ayan na. Uy.
Okay. Time out. San Juan Science.
Time out, San Juan Science High School. With official scores 40-8. Tingnan natin ang handle ng San Juan Science.
Ano to? National High School, di ba?
National. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Last 35.7 seconds. Para sa ating first half, steal by number 18. Ooh! Grabe naman yun. Kinaliwa. Grabe ang pinapakitang gilas dito ng San Juan National High School by jersey number 18. Pala sa second, that's number 18 na ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Ayan na, back to the ball game tayo. Number 18, binigay sa corner. 3-point shot, no good. Number 14 with a putback. 44-8. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. Okay, end of the first official score, 44-8 in favor of the San Juan National High School. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang San Juan Science High School sa ating pagbabalik ng ating third quarter. Back to the ball game, still number 18, oh good. Gets the putback by number 89. Number 3, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Bien, outlet pass. Number 10, no good. And out of bounds. Same ball.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 8.
Gets the 3.
Shot clock 9.
Number 4, no good. Still. Wala. Number 23, wala pa rin. Ayun na, steal by Bien. Rodique, alley-oop, wala. Rodique from elbow 3, no good. Rebound ng San Juan Science. Oy, wala. Rebound by number 89. Pass to Bien. Bien, derecho. Basket down. By Rodique, Bien. Oh, what a block by Clyde Ortiz. Steal by Bien, outlet pass. Ortiz. Oh. What a nice shot by Ortiz, Clyde. Gets the 3, short. Rebound by number 23. Pinasang loob, and there's a foul, number 3.
Foul number 3. First personal foul.
Shooting on the line. Oh, good. Second shot para kay jersey number 17. Wala. Rebound. Oh.
Shot clock 14.
14 second shot clock to shoot. There's a foul.
Foul number 2. First personal foul. Subdivision. Tawagin niyo yung mga kasasaban niyo. Tawagin niyo.
Substitution.
Sabay, sabay.
No good. Rodriguez. Pass number 1. Pinasa corner. Short.
Shot clock 8.
Kick out. Number 89.
2
Basket.
points.
Uy. Gets the 3. No good. There's a foul.
Foul number 89. First personal foul. Third foul. Subdivision.
Yari ka kay coach. Napagalitan si Idol. Ayan na, sa
2
loob.
points.
2 points para sa San Juan Science.
Wala na, bye-bye na lang.
Rodriguez, bien. Ayan na. Pass number 28. No good. Wala. Wait a
2
putback.
points.
Number 3. Ayan na, steal. Rodriguez. Uy. There's a foul.
Foul number 2.
Number 2, that's a
Number
foul.
2, second personal foul. First foul.
First shot is good para sa San Juan National. Ayan na, wala kay Clive. No good. Rebound by San Juan. Ayan na ang National with a
2
layup.
points.
Another steal. Rodriguez.
Rodriguez.
Ayan na si Bien Rodriguez. 59-10. No mercy ang San Juan dito. Ayan na si number 23. Binigay sa corner. Poulter. Fly to Villar. Nasa loob. Kick out. Gets the 3. No good. Oy, out of bounds.
Subdivision. Subdivision. Shot clock 14.
Lothar, wala. There's a foul.
Foul number 20. Number 20, Shekera, 3 personal foul. Four foul. Subdivision.
Sub.
Subdivision.
Tawagin na.
Subdivision. Warning for penalty.
Good.
Number 5, San Juan National High School, warning for the late again. Technical number 5 for the late again.
Technical na po.
May warning na po tayo kanina for the late again.
Ay, naganda kanina sa t-shirt. Ay, mali ata. Wala pa naman. Number 2 on the free throw area from San Juan Science. No good. Wala rito ng Science. Sa corner, jump shot, too strong. Out of bounds.
White ball.
White ball. Jump shot, short. Si number 1.
Number 1, first personal foul, 3 minutes ulan.
Coach, pakiano po. 3 minutes po yun. 3 minutes cool down po.
Alam mo basta. Number 1, di ba? Number 1. Boy, block. Out of bounds. Steal. Ayan na ang San Juan National all the way. Basket by jersey number 12. Steal. Number 2. Number 18. Official timeout.
Pushing foul number 19. Layo, Michael.
Huwag muna kayo, luwag.
Time remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds. shot is good by Rodique. No good. Wala. Ayun ang San Juan Science still. Uy, good hustle. Rodique, reverse layup. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Pinasa loob para fake. Block by number 22.
Timeout, San Juan National.
Timeout, San Juan National High School. With official score of 62-12. Then natin ang huddle ni Coach Florano.
Next game, Salapan versus San Juan Integrated.
Last 47.7 seconds. Rodique from elbow 3. Yes, para sa tres by Bien Rodique. Number 4. Hoy, naka-recover. There is a foul.
Foul number 2, Cipriano. Penalty.
Second shot, basket, it's good. 13:65, last 21 seconds. Top of the key for 3, wala. Rebound, makuha number 11, basket is good. 67-13, ayan na. Gets the 3, wala. Rebound.
End of the third quarter.
The third quarter official score 67-13 in favor pa rin sa San Juan National High School. Okay, fourth quarter tayo. Mukhang dominant ng San Juan National ang laro. Ayan, shoutout kay Ronald Sakyan and from the sports office.
Back to the ball game.
Di ba meron na fourth quarter? Kayo, kapay ka na? Ilang game pa na dito na? Hindi, mamaya. Ilan ba? Dalawang junior, dalawang high school. Ay, dalawang junior sa senior. Ay, mga bata mo pala, no?
Magkasalamat.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Fourth quarter. Ayan na, number 15, basket. Saan doon? Ano oras? 5:30. Basket. May laban ba tayo bukas dito? Wala pa. Jump shot, wala. Oh, steal. Hoy, steal.
Injury time.
Basket is good. Ball game po tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng San Juan National. Number 18 for 3. No good. Ayan ang San Juan Science. Number 22. Wala. Ayan na si Clyde Ortiz. Pass to number 16, basket! Number 12. Oy, nabitawan. Ayan na. Oy! Clyde. Fade away shot. Wala. Number 89, wala pa rin. Ayan na, number 89, using the board, sinigurado na. Uy. Technical na. Technical, number 89. Nagkakalaboy din na.
For taunting.
Napapakamot na lang dito si Ben.
Substitution.
Technical dito si number 89, mga idol. Torting. Time remaining 7 minutes and 58 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 7. Lumabas ang apelido niya, idol. No good. Same ball. Sub. Sige, pasok na pare, mga idol. Pasok na po kayo.
Substitution.
Steal again. Light Ortiz. Wala. Pero nandoon para sa putback. Si number 4. Ayun na, pressure defense ng San Juan National. Number 2, floater. Wala. Rebound by number 1. And one by jersey number 12.
Foul number 15.
Ano pinili niya? Hindi ko makita. Federer.
Third personal foul.
No good. Ayan na. Rodrique. Kick out still. Number 2 from elbow 3. Yes! Para sa 3. By jersey number 2 from San Juan Science. 23-75. Clyde. Binigay sa corner. Rodrique for 3. Nakabawi. Si Rodrique bien. Ayan na, si number 2 again. Number 2, side step. What an extra pass. Steal by Bien. Rodrigue nakalusot. What a finger roll by Rodrigue. 80-23. Lamang pa rin ang San Juan National. Uy! Gets that 3. Wala. Rebound. Okay, out of bounds.
Substitution. Substitution.
Bola rito ng San Juan National. 80-23 ang ating talaan. Number 18. Pinasa corner. Rodrigue. Pass to number 18. To number 12. Number 20. Wala. Ayan na. Ang sa Juan Science. Number 2. Uy. Isa pa. With a putback. By number 15. Rodrigue gets the 3. Wala. Rebound ng San Juan Science. Outlet pass. Number 2. Oh! What a hard foul.
Pushing foul number 17.
Foul number 17.
Third personal foul. Substitution.
Rodriguez, substitution. On the free throw area, jersey number 2 para sa San Juan Science. Sige po. No good. Second shot para jersey number 2. Ayan na, basket. Timeout. Wait lang po, wait lang po. Oh, timeout out.
Time out! San Juan Science!
Time out, San Juan Science High School. With official score 26-80. Time remaining 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Shoutout kila Ma'am Rose Galang from the Don Bosco, Mandaluyong. Congratulations sa kanilang game kanina.
Number 1.
Natapos sila sa 1-2 records or 2-2 for this season. Bad pass. Steal by number 1. Number 1. Dire-diretso. Basket. Ayan na si number 1. Nakatapikan. Outlet pass. Number 20. Uy. Step back to. Wala. Rebound. Number 1. Ayan na. Number 14. There's a foul. Number 18.
First personal foul. 13 foul.
Bola rito ng last 3 minutes na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Ayan na, number 20 all the way. Basket is good. Boy, still number 20. Ooh, wala. Ayan na ang San Juan Science. What an extra pass. Steal by Villar. 3 against 2. Dire-diretso. Basket yan. 88 to 28.
Same ball.
Out of bounds. Same ball. San Juan Science High School Basketball. Po muna. Po. Dito. Po kayo dito po. Puan yan. Last 2 minutes tayo. Alley-oop. Number 12. Stop. Ayan na. Substitution, both teams and sub. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds. Number 11. Oh, good. Ayan na si number 5. Number 5, wala. Rebound. Uy, ayan na, number 17. What an extra pass. Oh!
Konti lang. Ganda ng laban,
Ayan na. Dalawa na lang. Rodrique, pass number 1. Oh, no, sorry, that's number 5. Apat. Ayan na si Idol. Uy! Wala. Rebound by number 11. Number 5, Rodrigue. Pass to. Oh, what an easy basket by number 11. Gets the 3. Wala. Number 18. Wala. Last 14 seconds. 8 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both teams. And congratulations to San Juan National High School for winning this game. And a nice game para sa ating San Juan Science High School. Alright, our best player of the game, none other than Rodrigue. Salamat po sa inyong pananood.